What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. So I'm all set for IFA Berlin 2019 and today I bring you what is in my tech bag. So this is the UrbanKey Smart Tech bag. It's a very good quality bag. It's got a hard compartment here to keep your valuables, and you've got a main compartment for laptop and different sections. Plenty of space, but at the same time it's quite compact and lightweight. And you've also got hidden compartments for your passports, etc. Now onto the tech. Macbook Pro, definitely needed because I am going to be editing videos nearly every night. Now what else do we have? Smartwatch. I had a choice from two, the Galaxy Watch and the Amazfit GTR, and I've decided I'm going to take the Amazfit GTR with me because the battery life is absolutely insane. I don't need to charge it, it's on 76%. That will last me all throughout IFA. I won't even need to charge this watch up. So awesome watch, the Amazfit GTR. I've got two smartphones that I'm going to take with me, Huawei Mate 20 Pro and the OnePlus 7 Pro. So all my photography, all my videos, most of it is going to be done with my smartphones. I'm not even going to take a DSLR with me. I'm not even going to bother doing that. The quality that these produce is more than enough for me to cover IFA without carrying massive cameras with me. Okay, but we're not finished there. I got a GoPro Hero 7 as well. And I've also taken with me the Insta360 One X. In case I get a creative vibe and I feel like taking 360 videos, this little handy camera is a must. Headphones. So these are the headphones I've chosen. Again, it's all about compact and lightweight. So these are the Aftershokz Aeropex. They are currently my favorite headphones and they are bone conduction headphones. They're very lightweight. I really do like these. The quality, the battery life and the comfort levels are awesome. And they're very easy to carry around in this small magnetic pouch. So that's me all set for IFA 2019 Berlin. You can see I'm traveling light. I'm keeping things simple, but stay tuned on the channel. There's a lot of coverage coming your way. I want to share my IFA experience like I did last year with you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy watching what IFA has to offer. There's going to be some great tech unveiling going on. I'm really looking forward to checking out the Mate 20X. There's some great televisions with TCL. So stay tuned on the channel for everything IFA, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.